Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Joy by NH. Today we learn the concept of to finding the maximum and minimum of the given function, and it is the one of the concept of the differentiation. Before explaining this problem, subscribe the channel to get notify the videos. So it will be helpful for your academic. Okay. So here we have the working rule, the working method for finding maximum or minimum. Okay, so here we have the procedure. That in the procedure we have to be represent y is equals to f of x. In that f of x we have should be find out the dy by dx in a first step. Okay, so later the dy by dx should be taken as the 0, then it obtains the equation. That equation is solved it, then it have the obtain the roots, or it may be called it as the values. Then again that differentiation of the first order will be differentiated with respect to x in a second time. Okay, so that it will be obtained as the d square y by dx square. Okay, so then d square y by dx square value will be represented, and then the equation will be substituted by the given roots value. That means x is equals to a. I have taken the x is equals to a. So it will be obtains positive, then it is called to be as the y is minimum. If it is negative, then it is called maximum. Okay, if it is become 0, then it is called the neither maximum nor minimum, and also it are called it as the point of inflection. Okay, so here we have to be represents the procedure value. So later we have to be learn with the respect to the one of the given problem, that is the find the maximum and minimum value of the x cube minus 9x square plus 15x minus 1. Okay, so here I would represent it as y is equals to x cube minus 9x square plus 15x minus 1. Here the given equation. In that given equation we have to be differentiated for one time. So that is called to be as the first order differentiation. So that first order differentiation will be dy by dx. Okay, which is equals to, here we have the x cube. So we have to be apply the formula for x to the power of n. Nothing, it will be obtained as the n into x to the power of n minus 1. That is 3x square minus 9 into 2x plus 15. Here x up to the power of 1 is there. Nothing but its differentiating term will be 1. Then constant value becomes 0. So here dy by dx is equals to 3x square minus 18x plus 15. In the next step, so we have to be taken the dy by dx is equals to 0. Then it becomes 3x square minus 18x plus 15 equals to 0. It becomes the quadratic equation. In this quadratic equation, we have to be solved by the either it may be factors method or formula method. I would choose the factors method. Before going to the factors method, so get simplify these equation. See here, the constant terms will be divisible by the 3. So hence we have to be divided by the 3 on both side. It will be obtained x square minus 6x plus 5 equals to 0. Okay, so here it will obtain the simple form of the quadratic equation. In this quadratic equation, the middle term will be expanded. So that means sum of the term. Okay, if it is sum, we have to obtain the middle term. If it is product, we have to obtain the c value. Okay, so that means x square minus 5x minus 1x plus 5 is equals to 0. See, minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5 x into, so take the common x, so x minus 5, so minus 1 will be common, x minus 5 equals to 0, x minus 5 into x minus 1 is equals to 0. Here x is equals minus 5 equals to 0, x is equals to 5, then x minus 1 equals to 0, x is equals to 1. So here we have to obtain the two roots. In these two roots we have to applicable the second order differentiation. So here we have the first order differentiation. It should be a differentiated in a second time. So then it obtains the one of the value. So that is, so here second order differentiation will be represented as d square y by dx square is equals to 3 into 2x minus 18 plus 0. Nothing but here you have to obtain the 1. So nothing but 6x minus 18. So in this equation we have to substitute these two values. Substitute here. If it is x equals to 5, then d square y by dx square becomes 6 into 5 minus 18 is equals to 6 5s are 30 minus 18. Nothing but it becomes 12. So which means positive value. So we all know that positive value becomes y is minimum. Negative value becomes y is maximum. So therefore it becomes y is minimum. Next, if it is obtains the x is equals to 1 in d square y by dx square, which is equals to 6x minus 18, right? So 6 minus 1, sorry, 6 into 1 minus 18, nothing but 6 minus 18, which will obtains minus 12. So the minus 12 means y is maximum at x is equals to 1. Okay, so the given function will be maximum when it applies the x is equals to 1. Okay, so the y is minimum at when we have to apply the x is equals to 5 to the given function. Hope you all understand this concept. So if you like the video, share and subscribe the channel. Next video we will meet in a next topic. Thank you.